This faceless YouTube channel, called Naturelens, has gained over 800,000 subscribers in less than 1 year by uploading simple animal videos, and all of their videos get millions of views. The secret to their success is nothing more than a collection of stock footage and AI voiceover. What if I tell you there is now a free AI tool that allows you to create the same viral shorts in just 1 minute? And the best part of these shorts is that you can monetize your channel in a few days because of the wider audience in this niche. If you have any doubts about AI content monetization, please watch the full video till the end because I will show you everything with proof and real examples. So let's get started. The tool we're going to talk about is called Flickr. Flickr has some useful features you won't find anywhere else on the internet, such as idea to video, blog to video, PPT to video, tweet to video, and more. With the idea to video tool, you can turn your imagination into a video. You just need to type in what you want, and this AI tool will automatically create the video with related copyright-free stock footage and the most realistic AI voiceover in over 75 different languages. Additionally, this AI tool will add background music and attractive subtitles. Let's watch a sample video created by Flickr AI.
Welcome to the fascinating world of monkeys, intelligent residents of our planet's lush forests and vibrant ecosystems. Monkeys are incredibly diverse, ranging from the tiny pygmy marmoset to the imposing mandrill, each adapted to their unique habitats. Social creatures by nature, monkeys often form complex societies, using vocalizations, facial expressions, and gestures to communicate.
With the blog to video feature, you can also achieve the same results. Here, you just need to paste the link to your selected blog, and this AI tool will automatically summarize the blog post and create a video with all the required materials, just like this one.
Sharks have existed for over 450 million years, predating even dinosaurs. They've evolved diverse adaptations and traits over time. There are over 500 shark species, but only a few are known to attack humans. Human fatalities from sharks are extremely rare.
So, let's create a video from scratch. To access Flickr, just click the link below this video, and it will take you to this page. Now, quickly sign up for its free account. After that, you'll get this page. Now, to create a video, click on New File. Just give it a name. Then select Script if you have the script ready. Since we don't have any script, I'm going to select Idea. Then we need to select the aspect ratio. Since we want to create short form content like the Naturelens YouTube channel, I'm going to select the 9:16 ratio. Then hit Submit. After that, you'll get this page. Here, we need to write our ideas or prompt. For instance, I'm going to type a documentary video about monkeys. You can type any video idea you have in your mind. Then we need to set the video duration. You can create up to 15 minutes of video at once. Right now, I want to create a 30-second video for time saving. And here we have multiple options. You can check all of these. Make sure to enable the stock media option. And finally, click on Submit. And here we go. Our video is ready. Let's play it.
Welcome to the mysterious world of monkeys, nature's incredible acrobats. Monkeys are known for their complex behaviors and social structures. From rainforests to mountain slopes, monkeys adapt to diverse habitats. Conservation efforts are critical to protect these fascinating creatures.
Wow, I'm genuinely impressed. The quality of this video is very good, and we made it in only 1 minute. Can you imagine how rapidly this technology is growing? We just provided a single prompt, and this AI tool automatically created the video with a great script, realistic voiceover, matching stock footage, attractive subtitles, and the best background music. It's incredible to see how far technology has come. Not only that, but here we have full control over our video. We can change the voiceover, select new footage, edit the script, adjust the audio volume, and change the style of the subtitles, all at our fingertips. With this level of control, we can make the video even more engaging by making some changes to suit our preferences. It's incredible how flexible and customizable this AI tool is. So let's change the male voiceover to a female voiceover. To do that, go here and click on this name icon, and it will take you to this page. Here, we have lots of voices and different styles. You can test all of these realistic voices by clicking this icon.
Flickr helps you create audio and video.
Flickr helps you create audio and video content.
Flickr helps you create audio and video content.
The best part of this tool is that you can even create your own AI voice. This is my cloned AI voice, Rahat K.
Flickr helps you create audio and video content using lifelike AI voices in
But I haven't used this voice anywhere because it's not as realistic as my own voice. So now go here and select female. Then select the best one for your video.
Flickr helps you create audio and video content using lifelike.
I'm selecting this one. Then make sure to check this box to apply this voice to all scenes. And then click on select. Okay, now let's play the video again.
Welcome to the mysterious world of monkeys, nature's incredible acrobats. Monkeys are known for their complex behaviors and social structures. From rainforests to mountain slopes, monkeys adapt to diverse habitats. Conservation efforts are critical to protect these fascinating creatures.
It's perfect. If you want to change any video footage, you can click on the footage icon and choose the best one for your video. If you want to change the subtitle style, you can play with these settings. And finally, you can download the video from here, which is so easy. Now, let's talk about AI content monetization. If you search on Google for, can AI content be monetized on YouTube? You'll find your answer. Many successful YouTube channels use AI voices in all of their videos. If you still have any doubts about AI content monetization, you can read this article. I'll include the link in the video description. Additionally, you'll now find a new option in your video settings called altered content. If you use any AI tool in any part of your video, you have to select yes. This ensures you won't face any problems in the future. So, I hope you found this video helpful. If you still have any questions about AI content, please let me know by commenting below. Thanks for watching.